Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video we will be learning how to change your profile picture in T3 Arena. If you want to freshen up your identity in the arena, then here is how you can easily change your profile picture with just a few simple steps. First of all, open up the T3 Arena game on your device and get it fully loaded into the main screen. Once you are in the home screen, tap on your avatar at the top left corner of the screen. Now, this will open up the player info page. Tap on your avatar one more time and you will end up in this page where you can see a collection of avatars. Some are unlocked, whereas some are unlocked through achievements or hero ownership. Go ahead and select one of the avatars if available and then choose your avatar. And after you exit to the main home page, you will be able to change your profile picture right away. That is how you can easily change your profile picture in T3 Arena. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.